It's essential for any enterprise to have a strong support system in order to sustain efficiently, and core IT applications play a crucial role in the foundation, assuring a company functions well on all fronts. And business results are exactly what we power. We are Indusa. Indusa provides software services to mid-market organizations around the world through IT expertise. Our enterprise services cover a strategic spectrum from Microsoft Dynamics 365, BL Predictive Analysis, SharePoint, Office 365 Plus Project Online, Custom App Management, Enterprise Mobility to QA and testing. With our mid-market-centric approach with the right size and right fit, along with flexible engagement models, we focus on driving business goals rather than enforcing a technology. Our team of experts located in the US and Asia Pacific deliver transformative technology solutions to meet all your needs. Over 500 companies in more than a dozen countries have benefited from Indusa's customized and responsive services. And with a strong foothold in several industries like manufacturing and distribution, retail, media and marketing, software and other professional services, Indusa can help you grow exponentially. Our experience has also led to strong relationships with trusted ecosystem partners, including Microsoft. That's why 80% of our customers stay with us over 8 years. And our varied range of satisfied customers in the past 25 years are testimony to the fact that our technology services accelerate your capabilities to achieve desired business goals. When thinking of an innovation partner for your core enterprise software, focus on reliability, responsiveness, quality, cost, and most importantly, business results. Learn more about Indusa today at www.indusa.com.